Hello, my name is Deborah Jones and I'm joined today with Jerry. And Jerry is a highly skilled and well-known electrologist. Hello, Jerry, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. It's lovely to see you, looking fresh and wonderful as ever.
Thank you.
So today we are looking at how we clean our tools for electrolysis. And there are many ways that we can achieve this. Today we're going to look at ultrasonic cleaning. And firstly, I'd like to show you a presentation about the machines available to give you a clear understanding about the ultrasonic process. Okay, so ultrasonic cleaner. So here are just two examples of the cleaners that you can get. And these I found on Amazon. And the one that is here is a 600 ml, and that was roughly around about £30, which is quite adequate. And then there's a 2.5 litre, which is about £50. And this particular one has a timer, so there's different timings on it, which is quite useful. So these are just different examples of what you can get on Amazon. So the history of ultrasonic cleaning. So the first ultrasonic cleaning equipment appeared in the 1950s, and it was used commercially for engineering industry. And it was used to clean small parts and speed up surface treatment processes. So in about 1970, it was used as an inexpensive home appliance, and people still use it to clean vegetables and things like that now. There's machines available. So what is an ultrasonic cleaning, or what is ultrasonic cleaning? A cleaning process called cavitation. Cavitation are bubbles formed by high frequency pressure sound waves to agitate liquid. Agitation produces high forces on debris stuck to items. So examples of that on our tweezers, scissors, plastic, and like our chuck caps. Cavitation removes debris, plus it penetrates into holes, cracks and crevices. So it's great for those little bits in tweezers. So how does a machine create cavitation? So an ultrasound generating transducer built into the machine produces ultrasonic waves in the fluid. An electrical signal oscillates at ultrasonic frequency, compresses waves in the liquid of the machine to tear liquid apart. Sounds cruel.
It does, doesn't it?
Millions of microscopic voids or partial vacuum bubbles are left behind, and that's the cavitation. These bubbles collapse with enormous energy. The bubbles are so small they clean and remove surface dirt and contaminants. The higher the frequency, the smaller the nodes between the cavitation points, which allows for cleaning of more intricate detail. So cavitation, let's look at that. So here is a cavitation bubble imploding close to a fixed surface, generating a jet of the surrounding liquid. So you can see where here you've got it's imploding here, and if you look in this bit you can see where it actually implodes straight through, and this is where it does the cleaning, which is fantastic. So the purpose of using an ultrasonic machine: to thoroughly remove all traces of skin cells, blood and body fluid from tweezers, scissors and chuck caps. Water or solvent can be used. Solvent used is depending on the type of contamination. The type of debris removed can include dust, dirt, oils, pigments, fungus, bacteria, limescale, wax and blood. So using the machine, Tweezers, scissors and chuck caps, etc. are positioned in the basket and then placed into the ultrasonic machine, which contains a suitable solution. An example of the solution is this. I just took this off of Amazon. So this is called Octopus Clearing Solution. Is it the same?
It is the same as the one I've got, yeah.
Fabulous. And this is a 500 ml and it's about £11.17 for a bottle. But they do actually, they do recommend different, you buy a different machine, they tend to recommend their own. I think they're roughly the same solutions. Yeah. So things to be aware of, not placing items at the bottom of the machine, because this will prevent cavitation. Items must be placed in a basket supplied with the machine. Ultrasonic cleaning does not sterilize, so spores and viruses can remain on items after cleaning, and using an ultraclave for sterilization follows an ultrasonic cleaning process. So buying an ultrasonic cleaning device, so depending on the size of your clinic, so a 750 ml to a 2 litre machine would be adequate. Then prices range, is quite a big range actually. Yes. They range from around £30 to £200 plus. So, you know, it does depend on the machine. So looking for machines with a range of times per cycle. This ensures this can be set for longer cycles if required. So thank you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring us back on the screen. And it's great because I've done research on that to really just find out more about it. Yes. I think it is amazing. So
yes, I definitely learned a few things. That was really good.
It's incredible. So Jerry, I believe you've got a sonic machine and you use it. I'd love to know your experience.
Here's my little one. Let's see.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so I did read that it's 600 mils, but it doesn't look like 600. It's just a little bit bigger than my hand. It's 20 centimeters long by 14 by 13 centimeters. It's how I chose it was to make sure that my tweezers are going to fit in there, because I haven't got anything else that I actually need to clean in them. And because I use diamond tip tweezers, what I found is it was taking me a long time to brush off the debris that were building into those diamond little bits. So I thought, hopefully, I've used actually June Howard's ultrasonic machine, which is bigger and way better.
It's a lovely machine. It's a magnificent machine. I know, I've seen it.
If mine is at the bottom of that spectrum, you know, this is the £30 version. And June is the £200 version, so it's on the other side.
I think that's medical grade, isn't it? I think June's is medical grade. It is fantastic.
And it's a fantastic company she's got hers from, because they have the servicing available throughout the UK. So if anything was to go wrong with the machine, there's someone near you that can actually fix it. So that's very useful. Back to these, yes, it was the diamond tip tweezers that were causing me a lot of trouble trying to clean the debris from them before I can sterilize them, and that's why I got this one with some solution, this little thing,
which is the same, and that solution is okay, is it?
Yeah, it works. It does the job, yes. And so I chucked the tweezers in the chuck immediately after treatment. I just put them there and they soak for a little bit, and at the end of the day I would run a few cycles. Now these machines unfortunately don't have a timer. They have an auto time set. You just put it on and then it comes off. You can stop it earlier, but they're three-minute cycles, and I found very early on that 3 minutes wasn't enough to lift the debris, and I needed to do a few cycles before I can see that it's been cleaned. And I have a few pictures that I can actually share with you to show you. Let's see if I get this right. Share a photo, and in here somewhere. Here we go. Can you see that?
Yep. Wow.
So at the top is the tweezers before I have put them in the ultrasonic machine. and at the bottom are the tweezers after 3 cycles. So that's 9 minutes on my my machine, my
Wow.
ultrasonic
What
cleanser.
did you put on the tweezers at the top? What was on there?
It was that's hair follicle bulbs, I think.
So was
You
that,
can see.
did you put that under the magnifying lamp so we could see that? Or was that,
No, that's my phone.
wow, that you
My
could really
husband
see all
bought
of
me
that.
this phone that seems to be doing good pictures.
Oh,
I
wow.
albeit my not non-useful skills in photography, but it
They
does
were
the
really
job.
good pictures. I like them. So how long did you say you needed 3 cycles on that?
3 cycles on these one to visibly see that
So that
this
took
debris
9
was gone.
minutes.
Yeah,
That took 9 minutes. So
yeah.
really, would you recommend people get one with different times on them then?
I think it's helpful. Now, if you're on a budget and get a cheap one, just keep in mind that you're going to have to be around and keep pressing the on button for a few cycles until you see them being ready. If you've kept your tweezers in a box of dirty, so not soaked immediately after treatment, and they've been there for the day, it's quite likely that the debris would have bonded really strongly to the tweezers, and they will need a longer cleaning time. So I want to show you another one where I cleaned a piece of my jewelry.
Fabulous.
Okay, that's better. So this is a piece
Oh,
of jewelry that I had
wow.
and I've worn for a while without cleaning. And you can see on the first picture how much debris there's stuck on it. And
Yeah.
so the first picture is before, the second picture is after 3 cleaning, so 9 minutes of cleaning. The third picture is 15 minutes of cleaning. And then finally, when I couldn't see any debris anymore, it took 7 cycles. So that's 21 minutes. So I'd suggest if something's not being kept soaked for the day after treatment, but it's kept in a dry, dirty box, then definitely go for more cycles to make sure
Wow.
that all debris has been lifted.
That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. You know, I haven't got a machine, but I am now looking to get a machine. After doing this research and realizing, because I go through such a process of cleaning it, and you know, I just think, and to know that it removes wax as well, and all those bits of debris that's on the tweezers, I think it sounds fantastic. You know,
it would take off a lot of time from these, you know, mundane cleaning jobs that we have to do in the end of the day when we're tired.
I think that is absolutely incredible. Yeah, I you know, I've learnt loads. Learned
Yes, me
absolutely
too.
loads.
Thank you for this opportunity.
Yeah, it is great, isn't it? And to share this information, and we can just get the better practice going. It's just wonderful, really wonderful. Well, look, thank you very much. Thank you very much for you know, the opportunity to learn, because I think that's what it is. I've learned loads. Yeah, thanks, Jerry. It's been absolutely amazing. So thank you very much, and we'll.
The pleasure was all mine. Thanks, dear.
Thank you.